said no brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Is Cúig mayor stray, Cúpla me of the gain, Cúpla came, Quilla layas, Tomarash to crash the plays, Lemo, Cliggan lawn, pokey full of pain, animal of to behave, pulling Dublin from the grave, Mata ain keel, Agam stupig mayas make on Tussig, Lemavera Aaron Gwish, like God I trust the dogs, Brusig, Tomic Dullam Row, yeah, Egg Dullam Mun Kill, Scotty BM Shia Serma Hall, Veen so, Quilla Law, Quilla Ihe Curram Crean, some Clo, bleeding with quotes that they scream at the shows. It's that IMLÉ, Father for your soul. Going in our own schlee or to the bone. Excapa O Kirky Giddy Bort here. Owen with the means of my Bioan Nilam rain, never slowing low. No brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Said no brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. No brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Said no brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Masladina, better grab your raincoat. Hitting sail Urin August within Eash. I've had this spark in my eyes since I turned 15. Cross passion, kneeling all of fashion, cause we're all the faction, living all the action. Sean, Cade, Gloon, Ella, but I don't sing Shannon. Sick Dull and Moon sail with the master plan zone. Agus ná brú play, Gaeilge will to ray, Shishin Tarlum, she is treating attack, Rukti Dirk, at this got cruel shave, Owen Tave, Crugan Tave, Fog Glow Claim, took the egg on Doris, Agus ná brú play, Gaeilge will to ray, Shishin Tarlum, she is treating attack, Rukti Dirk, at this got cruel shave, Owen Tave, Crugan Tave. I said ná brú play, Gaeilge will to ray, IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Said ná brú play, Gaeilge will to ray, IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Ná brú play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain. Said no brew play, Gaeilge will to ray IMLÉ, coming straight off the grain to your brain.